this works out. I'll show you guys what my camera looks like. I'm gonna take a video. This is literally what my camera looks like. I'm trying to film a mukbang, but this honestly is not turning out the way that I want it to. Also, there's shit in the back because we were moving and stuff. Hopefully I feel like a neighbor driver. I don't know, I was having a rough morning, but whatever. I was gonna record on my phone, but my attachment for my phone broke for this tripod. Maybe I'll get food and I'll come to my park right here because it's pretty nice. Hi, can I get the Culver's Deluxe single patty?
Yeah, it's the pickle meal, lettuce, tomato, onion, okay on that?
Just no tomato, please.
Did you want ketchup and mustard?
Can I get ranch, please?
Yeah, you said no tomato?
Yes.
Okay. And whiskey meal?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
Can I get do you have a Sierra Mist or something like that? Okay, I'll get that, please. And can I get onion rings with that meal, please?
Yeah, instead of french fries?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
Can I get a name for the order?
Kaylee.
Alright, you're good to record.
Thank you. I feel like 10 times more nervous when I have the camera.
For Haley?
Yeah.
We have a deluxe single basket of tomatoes, onion rings, and Sierra Mist.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's $9.93.
Okay.
Thank you. Have that drink right here.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Spot 5.
Yep, thank you. Alright, guys. I'm probably gonna. So I got like a Sierra Mist. You guys can't even see me. Ew. That does not feel good. She was super nice. I'm always so sweet to people at the drive-thru. Like, why would you? I hate when people are rude. Like, people are like rude at the drive-thru. Like, I don't really get the point of like being mean. But she gave me some coupons, so I'm trying to put my camera somewhere, but I can't fit it on anything. Okay, guys, so I just pulled over into my park over here, and I have the stuff. It is hot though. Fuck. This park right next to my house has like a fitness center outside. I can't get the camera to focus on me. So it's literally so freaking hot. I wish I had like a little tray that I could put these on. So these are what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see them. My hands are so ugly without nails. Don't judge me. I literally love onion rings. Do you guys like onion rings? Because I wish I had somewhere where I could like show the food, but I'm not that savvy with car mukbang, so. I just had to get a quick thumbnail. This is so greasy. Oh my gosh. And they like gave me a fork. I'm not sure what for. I have napkins right here, and then I always get ranch with like everything. There's like a seating area over there, but I don't want to sit anywhere. I literally love ranch. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm trying to eat before I start talking and stuff. It's just so damn hot in Arizona. I hate sitting outside. It's so hot. Or like in my car. It's literally says it's like 90. It says it's 93 out right now, and my camera is dying. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. Let me get my burger out. I'll probably have to film with my phone, which is such a bitch. I didn't even think to see if my camera was charged or not. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look the greatest, but hopefully no one's watching me. There's literally this car over here was parked next to me, and I thought there wasn't anybody in there, but there's somebody in the car. So, and he's you're weird, dude. It's not as good as the one that I had the other day. I went to this one and it was so fresh, and oh my god, it was like one of the best burgers that I've had in forever. And I don't eat like red meat like ever really, so I should do like an ASMR mukbang. I was gonna do a Q&A, but it was honestly too late to ask you guys questions, or like ask you guys to ask me questions, so I don't know how people be filming in their car like this. It's like so hard to find somewhere for your camera. Hello?
I just got an idea that I want to ask you real quick.
Okay. So I was just like on the phone with my boyfriend, and I have like stuff on me. This car like pulled up damn near right next to me. I'm like, what the fuck? And my camera is dying. Like, it's probably gonna die like right now, so. Shit's big as hell. I wouldn't say Penelope to this park, but it's so damn hot. So you walking your dog? So I'm not gonna do that, but and the park closes at like 7, so you can't even like really go at nighttime when it's like cooled off. I'm literally sweating in here. My camera literally just died, so I'm probably gonna end the video here, but if you guys want more mukbangs, this was super short, so I apologize that the steering wheel is in the way, but more people keep pulling up to the park and it's getting really weird now. So like literally like 2 cars just pulled up. I'm gonna finish my onion rings though. This is my last onion ring. I'm gonna go get my nails done soon. And I have an appointment to get my lashes done because you guys can see they're like super thinned now. But next time, if you guys like mukbangs and stuff, I'm sure you guys do because car mukbangs are like the best. But I'm gonna, I'll probably film another one. I'll probably do like Taco Bell or something. But I'm probably gonna leave now because this guy's just sitting like in his car right there, like in front of me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure you guys subscribe and follow me. If you guys want an ASMR one, I always ask you guys like what you want and I end up not doing it most of the time. But I really need to start going through with what I'm saying because I do that literally all the fucking time. So I'm probably gonna go right now. Sorry, my dad just called me. But oh, he got out of his car. That is so creepy, y'all. I'm about to leave. He literally got out of his car and then he like keeps staring at me. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I wonder if my camera will fall if I start driving. Bruh, that was so fucking creepy. Why do you just park somewhere and then he got out and had his phone? Had like, it was some fucking like ginger. Yeah, I'm kind of a crazy driver, so I'm gonna. The camera is sideways and shit. So weird. He just got out of his car again. Yeah, I'm going home. I'll see you guys in my next video.